I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by verifying the basics so the rename sticks. First, make sure Bluetooth is enabled in Device Manager and not disabled in BIOS. This prevents ghost devices. Once done, plug in or confirm battery is above 20% to avoid sleep interruptions. Now open Start, go to Settings, choose Devices, then Bluetooth and other devices. This screen shows paired and available adapters. You're here to change the adapter or PC name. So next, we'll find the right control to edit the Bluetooth name. You need to target the adapter or the host name depending on Windows build. In Device Manager, expand Bluetooth, right-click the adapter and pick Properties. Some Lenovo drivers expose the device name under the Details or Advanced tab. If the adapter lacks a name field, change your Windows device name. Open System Properties, click Rename this PC, enter the new Bluetooth visible name, and reboot. Make sure to use a short, unique name. Some devices truncate long labels, so paired devices recognize it immediately. Finish by rebooting so Windows and connected devices refresh the advertised name. Many phones and speakers only update after a reconnect. If the name still appears old, update the Bluetooth driver from Lenovo Vantage or Device Manager and run Windows Update. Drivers control advertised names. If problems persist, toggle Bluetooth off and on, or remove and repair the device. One key troubleshooting tip: reset the adapter by uninstalling it in Device Manager and scanning for hardware changes. This often clears cached names and forces the new label to broadcast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.